Hello guys, today I'm recording another video with Adam, Nico31, and today we're playing a game called Escape Prison on Obby, I'm pretty sure. So I think I kind of play this game, and Adam kind of like play this game. So basically we just like do parkour. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, this is Adam. And Adam's like with me. It's like right there.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Yeah. So I literally see a secret password. Okay, so let's go into the portal, and yeah, I'm into first hobby. Deep underground, level 1. So
Right.
easy parkour. Okay, beat it. Adam.
Yeah, beat.
So this is way too easy. So like me and Adam each takes turn to get. How about 5? 5?
Yeah, 5.
Okay, this one is easy. I'm pretty sure. Oof. But then not that.
I got it.
Oh my god. Actually, okay. Then just wait for me. I'm coming.
Okay, you can jump. Yeah. Don't jump on that. Go over that. Yeah. Really easy.
Yeah.
You don't do that.
Whatever. Jump a bit too early. Jump a bit too early. No, they each gets 5.
You go under.
You're
there.
dead. You're already dead.
Okay, again. Yeah, that one you jump over. And then that one you go through that hole. And then you jump over.
Okay, that's easy.
That's how
Okay.
How you jump into this hole? Oh, okay. That was
Yeah.
like so easy.
What's this? Jetpack? What's that? Pumping? Okay, checkpoint, easy parkour. Easy.
Did you pass Adam?
Are you in?
Yeah, I passed it.
Okay, let's go. So each get 5. This is the second one. No, the one where it goes to the bathroom doesn't count. Oh, level 2. How about each get 3 levels? 3 levels. Right now it's 1 level. This is the second one. Okay. Don't mess me up. Yeah, I'm like jumping right in front of me. Okay. Ooh, this is cool.
Yeah, this one's cool. That one was cool. You get a checkpoint?
Oh my god. Oh, I saw that's a
Oh my
hole.
god.
I thought that was a hole.
Did you pass it?
Yeah. By the way, that's not a hole. It doesn't like go under. So you can actually hide like under it. Yeah, you can go under it. Oops.
Oh.
Okay, whatever. It's easy. It's easy. I was like,
Can't do it again, dude.
yeah, but they just like kind of mess me up.
Yeah, that's what you do, Rico.
Yeah.
I
I was just trying to bust right in.
Yeah, I got the next checkpoint.
I'll just hide right here. Yeah. Okay. I'm in.
I'm gonna go.
Okay. So
Shortcut.
this is easy.
Do a shortcut.
Can I?
Yeah.
Okay, that's weird.
Oh, I died.
Good. Yeah, I see you you're under the sewers. I can see your transparent body. Lasers. I was boom, boom, boom. Do prison actually have lasers in the sewers?
No, I don't think so.
That would be cool. So the criminals.
I keep dying of this one.
Like the lasers?
No, the one.
Oh. I'll wait for you. Actually, I'll just keep on going. I swear, got this. Okay. What for try? Just like Minecraft. I see diamond ores. Or that's probably just my imagination. I see diamond ore. Yeah, that's diamond ore. That looks, it's Minecraft.
Oh.
Actually, you can play actually. I think. Yeah. Okay, now go.
Got it.
Okay, come here. The lasers are a bit tricky.
Oh my god. I keep dying.
Who is a better parkour? I mean, if you're seeing this, go to the comment and say hashtag like Team Rico or Team Adam. And see if you're right to see like who's win. Okay, after the level 10, actually level 5. Actually, yeah, level 2. Let's make it level 5. So after level 5, it's like free for all to see like who's the best.
No.
You gotta press while jumping.
Yeah, that sucks. So.
Would you like to buy double jump?
Nope.
Cost roblox.
Yep.
Not going for the scam. Just do like the side.
Got it.
Jump.
Yeah. You got it?
Oh, you gotta wait for us. After like
I'll claim the next checkpoint.
yeah, just claim it before you die.
Yeah.
But no going the parkour before us. Okay. Jump while pushing.
Okay.
I went to
level
you went
3.
to.
I went to you guys.
Okay, just wait until we do this one. I
This
mean,
is
Alan
so
is doing this.
hard.
I bet I can probably do it.
Yeah. Not that.
Oh.
Okay, you do.
Okay, you
do
want
it.
me the parkour champion?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
Now
do-
watch the
you do this
master.
one.
I mean, I won't do it first try, but just watch.
You do it. I'll do the next one. The next
Sure.
one is probably easier. I'm telling you, this one is hard.
Oh yeah, my sister's friend came. Fun.
Rika, did you pass?
No, this is my second time. Alan was doing it before. And now I'm like actually doing
Because
it.
I'm outside the prison right now.
You're outside? Oh, like you. Oh, so like we escaped the sewers and now we're outside.
Yeah, outside the prison. I'm waiting for you.
Cool.
How
did you
do that? First try.
Okay. Do you go this way? Okay, just go forward. Does it count on ladder? No, this doesn't count. This is like get on a ladder. Or is this like ladder jumps? No. I was like kind of ladder and then you can play. The next parkour. This is not parkour, right? It's just like climbing a ladder.
Yeah, and then it's gonna go into like the.
Oh, okay. No, you can play. If it's parkour.
So.
Okay, you can go.
There's no parkour yet. I went over.
He. Oh! Just like one wide to the. Oh, just like a security camera?
Press this button.
I
think so. Little.
What
A little
You don't
help
press. I think it's just like a story.
Oh.
You don't like really press.
We are going to need a keyboard. Card.
Oh, so the police officer saw us escape and now the alarm rang.
We're supposed to find a key card somewhere.
Key card.
Yeah.
Who did say that? Who did say that? Who does it?
Here.
Oh,
That guy.
That guy right here. Okay.
Okay. We are
Okay.
going to need a key card for
Okay.
this door. Find it.
How did
in the
he
vents.
escape?
Find it in the vents.
The vents?
These are the vents. Can I go in?
These are the prisons.
Oh yeah.
What do you mean these are the vents? This came out of the vents.
Yeah.
I think it's like
Where
probably.
is it?
I think it's probably like hidden behind the boxes or inside. Try clicking inside it. Okay, no.
No.
And it's probably like in between the boxes. You see that area?
Yeah.
No, I think it's just something you click.
Can you click this?
That's right.
Deck? No, it's not here.
Maybe it's here.
Nope. Where is this key card? Does he mean by vents these?
No, these are not vents. Do you even know?
Jail sets.
You just what do you mean jail sets? This is like the
In the vents. Where are the vents?
the vent is where we just came out of. No,
Yeah.
he says we gotta find a key card for the vent
Oh yeah, for the vents.
so you can escape. Not a key card inside the vent. So
Wait.
The vent's right here. That's where we just came out of.
There's no key card.
Oh, I got in the vent.
Yeah, but is that where the key card is?
Yeah, there's a maze.
Oh. Wait, how do you get up?
Oh, yeah.
Get up?
Look.
Oh.
I found the key card.
Oh, we're supposed to go in the vent.
Okay. I mean, I can kind of see like a highlight.
Oh, is this the key card?
Key
Yeah,
card.
Press it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. We
That's
have to
kinda
go
cool.
back.
I mean, these are like mini activities.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Okay, we're
This is
going
cool.
back. We're going back.
Technically, this is not a maze. This is just like a passway.
We got the key card.
Yeah, we can go in. Just hold a key card. Hold a key card. Like maybe stripe it, or maybe just go in. Yeah.
Yeah. I need to put
Okay.
away this key card and parkour. Parkour.
I died.
Parkour.
You know, the classic bacon is actually the best for parkour. It's not like too big.
Oh, what do you do?
What?
You see if there's
Wait for me.
Oh.
it's like parkour like out of the acid.
Yeah, parkour. That's the
Just go on the table, jump there, go trash can,
table shortcut.
then make it.
My body pieces.
What? I died on the last laser.
That's laser.
Sword.
Okay.
Oh,
Wait, should
I
we wait
keep
for
dying, Nico.
What?
Keep dying.
No.
You're jumping. It's like jumping right into the acid.
Oh.
Would you like to buy skip stage? Nope. Okay, just go.
What
Oh,
I would
this
like
is
to
easy.
skip.
Yeah. If we have like infinite Roblox or maybe.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh
my
my
god.
god. Oh my god.
Oh no, it's my turn because like
Wait,
after like
wait.
street time.
You know how like I let you play one just like the.
Wait, I have to get to the next level.
Oh, it's my turn. This is the next level. It's already a checkpoint.
Wait, no, it's not the next one.
Yes, it
No,
is.
it's not. It
I
says
played to the third one.
I did parkour one time. You did it.
No, you already played four. You already played four
Okay,
times.
you did.
The maze is actually
That is really tricky, by the way.
very
That is
tricky. Let me
hard.
try.
Okay.
Really tricky. Let me actually get.
I can't get past these lasers, guys.
Just an even harder laser on the other side. Okay.
Yes. I need this checkpoint.
Okay, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Just a really hard. Wait, did you get to the cafeteria yet?
Yeah, I'm in the cafeteria.
Okay, I'll wait for you. I'm outside the cafeteria.
Wait, just go to get the chat.
no, I'll wait for him.
Just get
This is hard.
There's a really hard laser thing outside the cafeteria. What's
Wait.
this? Just go in. Okay.
Okay, just get the checkpoint. We're just gonna wait inside here.
Yeah, I'll just like look around, climb the soda machine. Wait, what? Wait. We need a. Wait, you get a cola when you climb it? Wait, do you press it? Oh my god. You press it. Oh, that's so cool. You press it and you get a Coca-Cola thing. That's so cool.
Oh.
Okay.
Did you get to the laser?
We need a Coca-Cola for this part. Okay. I got the Coca-Cola. We got the Coca-Cola.
But Adam, did you beat the cafeteria one?
Okay, get the Coca-Cola.
Yeah,
Oh.
did you beat the cafeteria one?
And jump over.
Yeah, I beat it. I'm in the laser.
Yeah. Really weird laser. Okay, I actually went so fast. I wasn't
This is actually easy.
Oh,
this is
so
easy.
Coca-Cola,
Yeah.
you run fast through it.
Yeah, this is called speed coke.
Yeah, speed Coke.
Okay.
Fast, fast, fast.
You jump, I think.
No.
So how do you do this? You get
Maybe
this
you go
walk.
to the
Oh, I passed it.
Okay, then are you at the door?
Yeah, I'm at the door.
Okay, yeah.
I think we go this way maybe. Or is it like all the same?
Go.
So you say I should like do this?
We will need a sweet
Almost.
cola for you.
Yeah, I don't know where the sweet cola is. You can just find out.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, by the way, you already played for 14 minutes and 48 seconds, so bye guys. See you next time. Visit our channels and be sure to subscribe to